Miroslav Korda?
Yeah?
Lieutenant Carter Blake, I'd like to ask you some questions. Shit, don't just stand there, he's gonna get away!
Stop that guy!
Hey man, watch him, dude!
There's another one! I thought there was two. Why did he tackle her?
Hey, man! Hey, watch it!
Oh my god, this is...
I hate these damn birds! Go on, shoot!
What's he wrestling? Throws it to the side. Holy fuck, is that good? Game of the year, everybody. Woo!
Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. Well, that's alright, because I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. That's alright, because I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie.
I can't tell you what spaghetti is, I can only tell you what it feels like. And right now it's a spaghetti in my windpipe. I can't breathe but I still fight while I can fight. As long as spaghetti feels right, it's like I'm in flight. High on spaghetti, drunk from my hate, it's like I'm huffing pain. I love it the more I suffer, I suffocate. Right before I'm about to drown, she resuscitates me. She fucking hates spaghetti, and I love it. Wait, where you going? I'm leaving you. No you ain't, I'm leaving you. No you ain't, I'm leaving you. I'm leaving you. No you ain't, I'm leaving you. No you ain't.
Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. That's alright, because I like the way it hurts.
Spaghetti.
Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. That's alright, because I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie.
Spaghetti in my windpipe.
I love the way you lie.
You ever love spaghetti so much you can barely breathe? And neither one of you even know it hit them. Got that one form spaghetti. Now you're getting fucking sick of looking at spaghetti. Swore you'd never hit them, never do nothing to hurt them. Now you're in each other's face spewing spaghetti. I'm leaving you. No you ain't. I'm leaving you. I'm leaving you. No you ain't. You ain't.
Just gonna stand.
Spaghetti.
Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. That's alright, cause I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie.
Spaghetti in the eyeball. yeah, I know you miss spaghetti, and I know you miss your dad when I'm gone, but I'm trying to give you spaghetti that I never had. I can see you sad, even when you smile, even when you laugh. I can see it in your eyes, deep inside you want spaghetti, cause you're scared. I ain't there, daddy's with you in your prayers. No more crying, wipe them tears. Daddy's here, no more nightmares. We gon' pull together through it, we gon' do it. Laney uncle's crazy, ain't he? Yeah, but he loves spaghetti.
What pleases you?
I want to have sex in some kind of box.
No. What pleases you in a song?
I don't know. Well, Babyface. I wrote a song with Babyface on this album called Too Good to Babyface. I got to work with Babyface.
Tell me about the
Yeah.
24 Karat Magic.
Yeah. Yeah.
You killed him at the Super Bowl twice.
Thank you.
Well, you know you did.
Thank you.
Twice.
Thank you.
Well, you know you did.
Thank you. Thank you.
Twice.
Thank you. Thank you.
So in this whole long transformation of pop music, where do you see yourself? What?
I don't know.
Talk to me a bit about the idea
It's
of where you were reaching back to in terms of putting these songs together.
It doesn't matter.
Tell me about
It doesn't matter.
What? When you think about all of this, does it change you or simply make you want to make yourself be as good as you can possibly be?
It's really, like we talked about earlier, it's that feeling. I think the most dangerous thing that can happen for a musician is to think that everything you write is good.
Here is Bruno Mars with a special edition performance of That's What I Like.
That's not
right here in our studio.
That's not what's happening.
I'm here.
Yeah.
I want to be here.
Yeah.
And you're going to like this. Talk to me a bit about the idea of where you were
America.
Where you were reaching back to in terms of putting these songs together.
I don't know what I'm doing. At a barbecue. I don't know what I'm doing.
Do you know what is necessary in music to make people want to get up and dance?
It's very it's because this is
What?
it's very it's
What?
it's the secret sauce.